328 feet outdoor wireless range, professional smart cordless grilling kit and accessories. Get an instant push notification to your smartphone if the chef leaves the cell phone wireless Bluetooth range. Indoor range is 100. Done smartphone alarm. When the sensor detects the meat reaches the set temperature, the Apple iPhone iOS or Android Wi-Fi mobile app will send push notifications and sound pocket alarm to take meat from gas or charcoal barbecue, smoker or oven. Dual monitoring. Remote monitor food temperatures in either Celsius or Fahrenheit and get alerts for multi-meats. Save pro cooking presets for your favorite kitchen luxury steak recipes. Set each individual probe separately adjustable in the app. Instant read digital display. Large electric backlit LCD display can be held or set on surface stand and is great for quickly glancing at the smoke or cook progress or timer. The digital display will automatically cycle between both the readings. Upgraded stainless steel cable. Just simply stick heavy-duty metal probes in the meat, safely leave inside any oven or grill for the entire cook duration. Probe can withstand high heat temp of up to 482 F and stainless steel cable wire up to 716 F. Included components: smart barbecue thermometer, temperature probes, AA batteries. Top reviews from the United States. I should have bought this years ago. I am pretty sure this will change my life for the better, should have purchased way sooner. I was concerned when I bought it as it wouldn't connect to my phone, but I got a quick answer from customer support letting me know that, on my Samsung phone, location sharing needs to be on to connect. Once paired, you can turn it off again. After getting it connected, it has worked flawlessly. Left it on my barbecue, set the chicken temperature preset, and when it hit that temperature, the alarm went off to let me know it was done. I was inside, 30 feet away, no connection problems. If it does get disconnected, you also get an alarm so you are aware and don't burn your meat. I can't speak to the battery life, but after a couple uses, it is still going. A rechargeable battery would be nice, but that is a minor complaint.